Hi, and welcome back to Cindy's Fashion Safari and my outfit of the day. It's a beautiful, bright, sunny day, and I'm headed out to buy my beach tags and enjoy my first beach day of the season. I'm wearing a denim cap over a short blonde shag by Paula Young. Animal print sunglasses help to accessorize the outfit while providing eye protection. The earrings are gold sun images. I love wearing light jewelry to the beach if I'm not going into the water. I am wearing the lightest of makeup, including foundation with a sunscreen, light cream blush, waterproof mascara, and lip trip chapstick with sunscreen. Modeling a summer yellow jacket from Denim & Company will provide warmth in case of cool ocean breezes and is lovely over this tie-dyed sundress that is a favorite of mine. Completing the look, I'm wearing watercolor flats from Old Navy until I get to the beach. Then I'll be switching to pink flip-flops. And before I go, I want to share this product called Maui Bay Browning Lotion with natural ingredients of Hawaii, including Kona coffee extract. It provides goodness for the skin. If you love the smell of coffee, you will love this on your body. Enjoy the hunt.